Understanding how money works removes the mystery from wealth building. Education builds the confidence necessary to make bold financial moves. Learning how to break bad money habits transforms your future. This guide identifies poor financial habits to avoid and explains habits that keep you broke. Are hidden habits secretly sabotaging your financial future? Discover the painful truth today. Many people work hard, yet remain in the same financial position for years. These individuals often overlook daily patterns. These patterns act as invisible barriers to wealth. Small choices lead to big consequences over time. Understanding these traps allows you to build a foundation for lasting success. Habit 1. Impulsive spending. Impulsive spending drains your bank account before you notice. Many people buy items based on emotions. Advertisements target your feelings to encourage quick purchases. Shopping provides a temporary dopamine hit. This feeling fades quickly. The debt from the purchase remains much longer. Stop buying things to impress people you do not like. Wait 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. This cooling off period helps you decide if the item truly adds value to your life. Discipline in small purchases creates room for large investments later. Habit 2. Lack of a written budget. A lack of a budget leads to financial chaos. You must know where every dollar goes. Without a plan, money disappears into small, forgotten expenses. Subscription services and daily coffee runs add up to hundreds of dollars each month. Create a simple system to track your income and expenses. Use a spreadsheet or a notebook. Categorize your spending into needs and wants. A budget gives you permission to spend on things you value. A budget also highlights areas where you waste resources. Financial clarity begins with a written plan. Habit 3. Ignoring high-interest debt. High-interest debt acts like a heavy weight on your shoulders. Credit cards often charge over 20% interest. This interest compounds every month. Paying only the minimum balance keeps you in debt for decades. The bank grows wealthy while you struggle to pay for the past. Prioritize debt repayment today. Use the debt snowball method or the debt avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on small balances first for quick wins. The avalanche method targets high interest rates to save money over time. Both strategies require consistent action. Freedom from debt allows you to focus on the future. Habit 4. Lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when your spending rises with your income. Many people get a raise and immediately buy a more expensive car. These individuals move into larger apartments they do not need. This cycle prevents wealth accumulation. Your net worth stays the same despite a higher salary. Break this cycle by keeping your expenses stable as your income grows. Save or invest the difference from every pay increase. This strategy builds a massive safety net quickly. True wealth comes from the money you keep, not the money you spend. Take a moment to support the channel. Like the video and subscribe for more financial guidance. Your support helps create more educational content. Habit 5. Failing to invest for the future. Saving money is not enough to build wealth. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of cash over time. Investing allows your money to grow faster than the cost of living. Many people wait too long to start. They believe they need thousands of dollars to begin. This belief is false. Start with small amounts in a retirement account or a low-cost index fund. Compound interest works best over long periods. Starting today provides a significant advantage over starting next year. Consistency matters more than the initial amount. Your future self depends on the investments you make now. Habit 6. Surrounding yourself with spenders. Your social circle influences your financial habits. Spending time with people who prioritize luxury items makes you want those items too. Peer pressure often leads to expensive dinners and vacations you cannot afford. This behavior creates a cycle of competition. Seek out friends who value financial independence. Discuss goals instead of purchases. Surrounding yourself with disciplined people makes discipline feel normal. Mentors provide guidance based on experience. Find a community that encourages your growth and celebrates your savings. Habit 7. Neglecting financial education. The most dangerous habit is the refusal to learn. Financial laws and opportunities change constantly. People who stop learning fall behind. Read books about money management. Listen to podcasts from successful investors. Attend workshops or take online courses. Understanding how money works removes the mystery from wealth building. Education builds the confidence necessary to make bold financial moves. Invest in your mind first. Your earning potential increases as your knowledge expands. You identified the habits blocking your success. You learned to control impulsive spending. You recognize the need for a budget and debt repayment. You understand the dangers of lifestyle inflation and the power of investing. You see how your social circle and your education impact your net worth. Transforming your financial life requires daily effort. Replace these poor habits with productive ones starting today. Wealth is a result of consistent, disciplined actions. Comment below with your financial goals. Share the video with friends looking for a path to prosperity. Your participation builds our community.